How to play Spotify and YouTube at the same time. So we all know that YouTube does not allow background play, but Spotify does. So what if we try to play both on the same time? Right here, I'll be tapping on my Spotify application first and foremost. You can play any music of your preference. Here I've selected this particular one. While I'm playing this music, now I'll open up and play this video right here on YouTube. As you can see, the video on YouTube is currently playing. If I give it a pause, then give it an exit from this application, then again try to open up my Spotify, you will see that the music on my Spotify has been stopped. So if I give it a play right here and if I check on my YouTube, you will find the YouTube video has been stopped. As we all know, if we exit our YouTube application, it automatically stops the video. So I think the answer is pretty much clear. Spotify and YouTube are good on their own basis. However, these two cannot be played at the same time. And this video is a proof that you cannot actually play in the background. Either you try any of the external application given to you. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.